leaders plenary meeting. Our agencies must also build mechanism of information sharing to bring to justice the tax offender and money launderers. Security and counter-terrorism cooperation is necessary if we are to secure the lives of our citizens. Terrorism casts a long shadow on our development and economic prosperity. Our response to terrorism must, therefore, be nothing less than comprehensive. And we need to act both individually and collectively. Selective approaches to terrorists, individuals and organizations will not only be futile but also counterproductive. Criminality should be the only basis for punitive action against the individuals and organizations responsible for carrying out terrorist acts. Terrorist funding, their weapon supply, training and political support must be systematically cut off. In this respect, we need to deepen the security cooperation between our national security advisors. Early adoption of the draft Comprehensive Convention on International Terrorism will be an expression of our resolve to fight this means.
Safeguard international peace and handle issues in light of their own merits and in keeping with the purposes and the principles of UN Charter and norms governing international relations. This way, we BRICS countries can bring positive energy to the world and usher in a new type of international relations featuring win-win cooperation.
By poverty, climate change, and the global economic crisis, among other challenges. The BRICS grouping together accounts of overall GDP of $16 trillion.
Aos debates de hoje de manhã, onde houve muita coincidência de opiniões, aquela conversa mais informal que tivemos ao longo do almoço, com resultados, penso eu, muito objetivos. E neste momento, quando ouço os senhores colegas do BRICS, também vejo esta coincidência, mas quero reafirmar que o sistema internacional
having renewed our commitment to the BRICS countries, a partnership that we wish to be always in tune with the priorities for our societies.
I believe that the university is going to be an important tool in multilateral education, scientific and innovation projects. As I conclude, I would like to stress once again that we stand ready to continue close cooperation with the BRICS partners.
Including cross-border terrorism and its supporters will be a key BRICS priority. We will also work closely to fight tax evasion, black money and corruption. I now have pleasure to declare the adoption of the Goa Declaration.